This is NJ Bisbee with Raven Santana.
Advancing artificial intelligence in New Jersey starts in our state's colleges. Many have adopted AI and machine learning programs to train the next generation of workers to work alongside the new technology. McKinsey estimates AI will create between 20 and 50 million new jobs by 2030, and Garden State colleges are preparing students for those roles. I sat down with Professor James Geller from NJIT to discuss his school's program and what his students are learning about AI. So, Dr. Geller, tell me why NJIT decided to include an AI program.
So it's pretty obvious that artificial intelligence right now is just going through the roof. And you read about it every day in the newspaper, and people use ChatGPT, for example, every day with an unbelievable speed. So that's the place to be at. And as NJIT is a technological university, it was almost logical that we would have degree programs on artificial intelligence.
Are you seeing a growing interest in it? It seems like this would be the right move, but are you seeing or hearing students wanting to have this program?
Yes, absolutely. So we have a master's degree program.
Wow.
And we also have a certificate. And for this coming spring, January, we had 119 applications for the master's degree, and we accepted 32 of them. And for the certificate program, we had 21 applications, and we accepted 7 of them. So yes, there is a sudden spike in interest in these programs.
And what are you teaching in these programs?
So let me start a little more fundamentally. Okay. So the goal of artificial intelligence going back 60 years was to make computers behave like humans. But the interesting thing is that all those things that are easy for humans are hard for computers, and all those things that are easy for the other way around, right? For example, playing chess, very hard for me. But computers are brilliant at it, but recognizing a face, recognizing a cat, understanding a complicated sentence, this was very, very difficult. And so you can sort of go from these human capabilities, and that's exactly what we're teaching. So the core of artificial intelligence is machine learning. And so we have three courses on it: machine learning, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. And then what we are good at, natural language processing, so there's a course on that, and computer vision, there's a course on that, and image processing. And because of all the problems that we recently had with ethical issues, we have a brand new course on ethical artificial intelligence, because there is so much space to misuse the artificial intelligence techniques.
Tell me a little bit about the job opportunities that are out there for those who graduate with an AI degree.
So, of course, there are these commercial services like Indeed and Glassdoor. So I went on Glassdoor and typed in data science jobs, and I got 5,000 hits. And artificial intelligence, people are arguing what is part of what. Is artificial intelligence under data science, or is data science under artificial intelligence? Leave that to the professors to argue about that. But in artificial intelligence, as it's a bit newer in that sense, there were 277 job openings.
Wow. And
I actually typed in entry-level job opening. And in data science, salaries start at $80,000 and go to $190,000. In artificial intelligence, it's still a little lower, like start at $61,000, go to $130,000. But these are entry-level jobs. So if somebody gets a job at an advanced position, it would even be more.
You know, Dr. Geller, as the use of AI becomes more widespread, do you expect more colleges and universities to offer courses in AI?
So I have to freely say that we have a number of competitors that are already offering courses. And essentially, I think what will happen is the same thing that happened with computer science, but much faster. In the beginning, there were only a few schools that had computer science program. Now there are 2,000 colleges and universities that have computer science programs in the United States alone. I didn't even know there are that many colleges. So the same thing will happen with artificial intelligence. I am convinced that 5 to 10 years from now, every accredited college is going to have programs in artificial intelligence, yes. So it's important to be among the first group.
That's right. Yeah, it's not a question of whether it's going to be here or not. It's going to be here.
Yes.
It will be at every school.
It will
It's
be.
just when are you going to offer it?
Exactly. It's about when, not if. Yes.
Dr. Geller, thank you so much for joining me.
My pleasure.